Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the most common chords and scales in like 5 minutes. That's all it takes to learn to play any string instrument after you've figured out what your open notes are that you tune your instrument to. Today I'm just going to show you a pattern that's an all-around universal pattern. So as you can see here, I've taken away the notes and I'm just putting X marks the spot. All you have to do is hit any one of these X's on the fretboard, and you have a scale. And you can also hit any pattern as a chord. As long as you hit one of those X's, you can make some funky chords, but they're still chords. And I'll show you how it works together with chords and scales. So I just made some chords out of those X's on the and these are just any other X's. Okay, for some advanced music. You see where the green bars are? That's where there's a note in every position as you go vertically across the fretboard. So all the strings open is one horizontal pattern where the notes go all the way across every string. And the next one is all the way, I'm going down from the 12th fret here, go down 3 frets, that's the next one. And then at the 5th fret is one. So if you know your pattern, and you know that all those open notes at the nut here can be moved up here, it's the same pattern here as it was here, but it's in a different scale because the real scale would have gone like this, not like this, but they're interchangeable. And then you can move around this part of the pattern to anywhere. And that way you can play pretty much any chord in any scale with that pattern shifting technique. Give it a try.